15 Apple Convention, we already changed the landscape of lectures. We made a shorter lecture of the more competent lecturers, locally, internationally, and open, or no longer open forum discussion, so that we can ask directly all the practical tips that are needed in our day-to-day practice of the profession. We will do the same in our area conventions. So we will have the Luzon Convention this coming November 18 or 17 to 18, 2024 at a new venue. Even you are here in PDA Bohol, you are also invited to attend our Luzon Convention at NDBX. This is a new venue at the Marriott Hotel, located at Resorts World. So we're trying to find a venue that is more inclusive and more practical in terms of expenditures. Bakit po hindi sa SMX? Bakit po hindi sa PICC? Those areas of conventions are getting higher every year on its rates. For you to realize kung gaano po kamahal ang SFX, that is why we're charging the convention fee higher and higher every year. When we started our convention at SMX way back 2009, we
wala na po na kaya natin magawa na lang po. Bukan may picture naman po kayo nasa LCD. Hindi, sakto din sa tingin nila. Sa ano? Sa text. May picture naman po kayo sa LCD. Yan na rin po.